Hey there! Hate cleaning? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let me show you 7 hacks that'll make it faster, easier, and yes, even a little fun. We all want a clean and tidy home, but sometimes the thought of scrubbing and scouring can be a little overwhelming. Wouldn't it be wonderful if cleaning could spark joy? Well, I believe it can. By incorporating simple, mindful techniques, we can transform cleaning from a chore into a more peaceful experience. Let's get started. First up, let's tackle those tough stains that weigh heavily on our minds. Do you have a stubborn spot on your sink or countertop that just won't budge? It doesn't spark joy, does it? Simply sprinkle some baking soda over the stain, then add a splash of vinegar. Watch as the mixture fizzes and bubbles, lifting away the grime. Let it work its magic for a minute, then gently scrub it away. It's a natural, effective, and oddly satisfying way to clean. Next, let's deal with the microwave. We've all been there, haven't we? Food splatters happen, but lingering odors don't have to. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water, add a few slices of lemon for freshness, and microwave it for 2 minutes. The steam will loosen up any stubborn grime, and the lemon will infuse your microwave with a bright, clean scent. Just wipe it clean, and you're done. And speaking of appliances, let's show some love to our ovens. A clean oven is a happy oven, and we want our kitchens to be full of joy. To make cleaning easier, try this simple trick. Mix baking soda with a little water to create a paste, then spread it over those stubborn baked-on spots. Leave the paste on overnight and let it work its magic while you rest. The next day, simply wipe it off with vinegar, and your oven will shine like new. Now, how about creating a homemade all-purpose cleaner that sparks joy with its simplicity and effectiveness? It's easier than you think. Simply mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. To infuse your cleaner with a refreshing scent, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender, lemon, or peppermint are all wonderful choices. And voila! You've got an eco-friendly, effective solution that's perfect for countertops, mirrors, and more. Chapter 5. Dusting made easy and enjoyable. Dusting. It can feel like a never-ending chore, can it? But it doesn't have to be a burden. Try this simple hack to make dusting more joyful. Use a dryer sheet to wipe down surfaces. Not only does it pick up dust effectively, but it also helps prevent static, keeping your surfaces dust-free for longer. As you dust, take a moment to appreciate the objects you're cleaning. Do they spark joy? Chapter 6. Cleaning blinds made fun with tongs. Let's face it, cleaning blinds can be a bit tedious, but it doesn't have to be. Here's a fun and surprisingly satisfying hack. Wrap a microfiber cloth around each side of a pair of kitchen tongs, secure it with rubber bands, and glide them over your blinds. Fast, easy, and no more dusty hands. You'll be amazed at how quickly and effectively this method cleans those hard-to-reach spots. Chapter 7. Freshen up your carpets and your home. And finally, let's freshen up our carpets and create a sense of peace and tranquility throughout our homes. Sprinkle baking soda generously over your carpets. Let it sit for 15 minutes, allowing it to absorb any lingering odors. Then, simply vacuum it up. Your carpets will be left smelling clean and fresh, and you'll feel a sense of accomplishment. So there you have it, 7 simple cleaning hacks to make your life a little bit easier and a lot more joyful. Remember, a clean home is not just about sparkling surfaces, it's about creating a space where you feel calm, relaxed, and at peace. Which hack was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart hacks to simplify your life. Happy cleaning!